access to abortion is a human right, and it doesn't matter whether you are in a refugee camp, in a conflict-affected country, an ICE detention center, you're incarcerated, or you're in a rural community in Ohio. Everybody needs access to abortion.
Abortion is an issue of bodily autonomy. It's about really self-determination, right?
I'm 35 years old. I'm a mom, and I'm an attorney. And when I was in my 20s, I got pregnant and I wasn't ready. And so I had an abortion, which I don't regret at all, because it's how I became the person that I am today.
People who have abortions are silenced a lot. I feel like I've had an abortion and I talk about it, and I find the more I talk about it, the more people are like, oh, I had one too. 1 in 4 people with uteruses are going to access abortion care. That's a whole lot of us.
I would have never thought that I would be here protesting for what I've learned about when I was in school, like high school. We supposedly live in a free country, but it has not been feeling free for a while.
Women in rural communities don't have access to planes or train tickets or anything like that. They can't travel to New York to get an abortion. They're stuck in Tennessee or in Florida. And so it's really the lower income, labor class communities of color that are impacted. And it's not just about women, it's about all genders.
All people access abortion care. Trans people, black people, white people, all people access abortion care.
A lot of time it comes down to it that having a baby or having a child, it's not even about choice. It's not a safe option for the person involved.
Specifically as a black woman, the black maternal mortality rates in this country are mortifying. They're terrifying. And so when a person like Amy Coney Barrett stands at the Supreme Court and says, well, you can just do adoption, it's like, no, adoption is an alternative to parenting, but not pregnancy. Pregnancy can be dangerous for people, and no one should have to embrace that level of danger without wanting to.
I don't believe that any, kind of government entity, and especially one that is made of all old white men, should be able to tell us what we can and cannot do with it.
Anybody who has a constitutional right to privacy should be very freaked out right now. I am. I'm worried about gay marriage. I'm worried about the right to privacy in terms of what goes on in your bedroom. I'm worried about birth control. I'm worried about all of it. I think we all should be worried about all of it.
People should be planning for what to do when the decision comes out. This decision isn't final. It's leaked. There are changes, but right now there's a conservative supermajority. They have a mandate and they plan to exercise it. And so we should be planning.
Keep going out, keep making your opinion known, write to your representatives, tap into local community organizations who have like really good tips and actions for things that will create real change, and just keep moving forward.
What is giving you hope right now, if anything?
Everybody here.